to the messy kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. We are going to make a vegetable quesadilla and a sweet treat that looks like an owl. Wow! The ingredients for our quesadilla: wraps, grated cheese, burlete beans or other beans that you have, corn, grated carrot, grated courgette, spring onions, olive oil, fajita seasoning and half a lime. Don't worry if you don't have all those vegetables. Pick and choose what you have in your fridge. If you have peppers, go add peppers, whatever you want. For our owl sweet treat, we have rice cakes, chopped apple, blueberries, chopped banana or any fruit of your choice, sweets, cereal, jam, peanut butter and chocolate spread. You can change these ingredients to what you have at home. The equipment you will need: a pan, a chopping board, a mixing bowl, a spatula, a knife, a spoon and a teaspoon. That's it. So let's get cooking. Woo! The first thing we're going to be cooking today is our vegetable quesadilla. So we are going to be mixing all our vegetables, our cheese, our beans in our mixing bowl. Woo!
La 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 hey 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 la 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 la.
Once you've finished mixing, add a squeeze of half a lime and a teaspoon of fajita seasoning. Then mix it up again. Woo! Carrots contain keratin. Keratin? What's keratin? Keratin is an orange-red pigment in our carrot that gives it its orange colour. When the human body eats keratin, it turns it into vitamin A. Vitamin A is so good for our bodies. It helps our vision, our night vision. Our teeth and our skin. Thank you, vitamin A. Thank you. If you eat too many carrots, it can turn your skin yellowy orange. It usually appears on the palms of our hands or the soles of our feet. Don't worry. You have to eat a lot of carrots for this to happen. And it can be easily reversed. You just have to eat less carrots. You can grate more cheese on top of this in order for it to stick together properly when we put it in the pan. Once you're happy with this, you're going to place another wrap on top of it and squash it down. Now it's ready to cook. Carrots are usually made up of 88% water and 7% sugar. There's an urban legend about carrots. The legend is, if you eat enough carrots, you'll be able to see in the dark. The rumour came about during World War II. British gunners were shooting down Nazi planes at night time. They wanted to keep it a secret that they had effective radar technology. So the story came about. Psst. Psst. Did you hear about the British RAF pilots? They eat so many carrots that they're really good at seeing in the dark. I know. You better get some carrots. For those who haven't seen one before, this is a courgette. Yeah. Although we consider a courgette a vegetable because we cook it in our main dishes, but it's actually botanically a fruit. Yes, it's considered a berry.
SG say what?
The courgette plant is a bushy plant. It is light green in colour and has prickly stems. It also grows a flower, which is edible.
What?
Yes. So not only does the plant grow courgettes for you to eat, but it also grows a flower. Yummy! Yummy. A courgette has more potassium than a banana.
Ooh.
Potassium gives us lots of energy. Once you've finished mixing, you will need an adult's help. Go on, go ask them. Place the pan on high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The courgette vegetable can grow up to 1 metre long. That's the equivalent to the length of a guitar, or the average height of a 5-year-old, or 5 steps in a staircase. However, it's usually harvested before then. That's why we usually get courgettes that are between 15 to 25 centimetres. I mean, I don't think I could fit a 1 metre long courgette in my fridge. Could you? Believe it or not, but corn doesn't start off like the small pieces of corn that we find in our tinned corn. It actually comes from a plant. It grows from a tall, stalky plant with lots of leaves that can grow up to 15 feet high. That's almost the height of a small giraffe. The corn plant grows something which is called an ear, which holds our corn in the cob. It's from our corn in the cob that we get our pieces of corn that fill our tinned cans.
What?
Did you know that popcorn comes from actual corn? Yeah, it comes from corn.
Ooh.
That juices and soft drinks like Coca-Cola and Pepsi contain corn sweetener?
SG say what?
Did you know that even some non-food products contain corn? Like fireworks, shoe polish, soap, and even some kinds of plastic. The corn can do a lot of things. Carefully place your quesadilla, pressing down with your spatula. Turn it over after 3 minutes. You will know it's done when the cheese is nice and sticky on the inside and it's stuck together. Once you've taken your quesadilla off the hot pan, you need to let them cool down for about 5 minutes. They're still quite hot inside. So while they're resting, we're going to make our sweet treats. Woo! Firstly, spread your rice cake with either jam, peanut butter, or chocolate spread, whichever you prefer. We can decorate our rice cake. So first we'll get 2 pieces of chopped apple as our wings for our owl. There are 8,000 different types of apples. That's a lot of apples. Apples are grown on a fruit tree. It can take up to 4 to 5 years for an apple tree to produce its first apple. That means, think of the age you are now. You plant your seed for your apple tree, and in 4 to 5 years, you'll get your first apple. An apple tree's life expectancy is 100 years. There are some old apple trees out there. Apples can float in water because they are 25% air. Try it out at home. Next, I'm going to make his feathers. with some Cheerios. Since we're making a snack that looks like an owl, I thought it was very important that I tell you guys some facts about owls. There are 200 different species of owls. Owls are nocturnal animals. This means they're active at night. So while you're in bed, the owls are awake. An owl can turn their head around 270 degrees. A human can turn their head only 90 degrees. That means an owl can turn its head around 3 times more than a human can. Now we're going to make his eyes. I'm going to use 2 slices of banana and I'm going to use my blueberries. I'm just going to dip my blueberries in peanut butter or chocolate to help them stick to the banana. Once your quesadillas have cooled down, you can chop them and eat them.
Woo! Congratulations! You just made your own lunch!
That's it for today's special episode of Making Lunch with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today, and I most importantly hope you enjoyed eating your vegetable quesadilla. Subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload weekly cookery videos for you guys at home. Make sure you send photos of you guys cooking. I would love to see how your quesadillas turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.